So today we're going to see how to choose the right keywords for your Google Ads campaign. I'm not just going to discuss, I'm also going to show you how to do that from my laptop. So before then, I know most of you know what keywords are. Keywords are words that people search on the Google search results to give them what they are searching or looking after. And as a business owner or as an advertiser, you want to ensure that you are reaching the right set of audiences. You are not just running campaign reaching those who don't get to drive leads and sales for you. So today we're going to look at how to pick the right keywords for your Google Ads campaign. So the first step before we dive into the practical aspect is, first of all, you need to understand the kind of keywords you're trying to reach. Are you trying to reach keywords that are broad or keywords that are specific? What do I mean by broad keywords? Keywords that are very short and broad based on their intent. Some could be people are actually looking for product to buy, or people are just researching. E.g., a very broad keywords is like clothes, food. You don't know if such one are researching or wanting to buy. But specific keywords are things like buy children clothes or buy women clothes. Those are specific keywords, and we call them what? Money keywords. So not to waste your time, let's dive in and see how to choose the right keywords for your Google Ads campaign. So let's see how you can get your keywords for your Google Ads campaign. All you just need to do is ensure you are on your Google search engine. That's where you can type your keywords. So let's pick a niche. We're going to pick just a very simple niche. Let's look at let's say we sell children wear, children backpack. So we can type children what? Sorry. Children backpack. So we have this. So we'll start with a very broad keyword. We'll start with a very broad keyword. Just as you can see, Konga is showing an advertisement. So how you can select your keywords, you go straight down. Before then, while you are typing, you would see some suggested keywords. So what you can do is you come up, get your notepad, write out some of these keywords. So the main keyword here is what? Children backpack. Now let's leave some space. Before then, Google has given us some suggested keywords. So we have toddler backpack boy. So write that, toddler backpack boy. Then we can do school bag. Then we have boy backpack with lunchbox. Lunchbox. So you can select the ones that tallies with your product or your business. So for now, we can do this fashion school bag. So these are keywords already. We are seeing that people are actually typing on what? On Google. So when you type keywords like this, Google gives you a suggestion of other keywords that people are typing regards your main keywords. So but we are still sticking to our main keyword, children backpack. So what you need to do is just scroll down to the bottom and you find out some suggested what? Keywords. So we can see boy backpack with lunchbox. So here it's telling you that your target audience, your customers are looking for backpacks, children backpacks with lunchbox. So if you have a backpack that contains a lunchbox section, then this keyword is right for you. Then you have kids backpack boys. Now the beautiful thing about this is, look at this. This says Jumia school bag. So this means this is your competitors page. So they're trying, people are looking for your competitors school bag. So you can target based on this words, on this your competitors words, keyword, right? So you can also take that down. So let's take note of that. Boy what? So here we have what we're going to do this under children backpack. We have boy backpack with lunch box. Then we also have kids. Okay, I think we have that. Okay, we can do our competitor Jumia. Sorry, do this Jumia school bag. So the next one is kids what? Backpack boys. So now we've gotten keywords for this words children backpack. Now if we decide to still go deep down to check out this boy backpacks with lunchbox, we have to open it. So we open this boy backpacks with lunchbox. So first of all, we get to see what kind of content people, so kids backpack and lunchbox. So these are actually things people are searching for. And you can see the title which Amazon gave this, boys backpack with lunchbox. And they gave this title because this is exactly what people are searching for. So ensure you also have that in your title of your campaign. So you can see now under this keyword boy backpacks with lunchbox, we still have other ones, backpack with lunchboxes and water bottles. So if you know you have this, you can select this for what your keyword. If you know yours is what Nike, now matching backpack and lunchbox. So these are the ways you get these keywords. All you just have to do is write them down. Let's just write one of these. Let's write the first one. We have this, right, with lunchbox and water bottle and water bottle. Sorry, let's minimize this. Yes, and water bottle. So now we are getting there. You find out that we already are finding out what keywords our audience are typing. So the more you go deeper, if you should click this now, we'll still get to find something more deeper. So all depending on what your product or service contains or entails. So make sure the keywords you are picking are related to what your product and services. If they are not related to your product and services and you're sure that is not what your audiences are typing in to find your product and services, then you leave that keyword. Focus on what the keywords that really matter. And if you find out there are several keywords, you're looking for keywords that tend to drive sales. Now you can see that these ones are they tend to drive sales, because there are people are looking for boxes and water bottles to buy. Now let's go back to the children backpack. You can see, take note of some of the titles that are being used: kids bags and backpack. So you can target kids bags and backpack. Same thing Jumia did, by kids backpacks. So instead of using the keyword of children backpack, now you write kids backpack Now you can see we have suggestions already. Kids backpack like girls, kids backpack boys, kid backpacks for school. Now you have a lot, so you can write them down. So let's do girls. Let's start with girls. So you can see some results. Now remember, when you go down, you'll still find some again. Little girl backpack. So ensure you have all these keywords, write them down. Now the other part we'll be going to is, once you found out most of your keywords, the keywords you have to use. Let's say we want to use this, just kids backpack. Let's copy this. We want to see what the search volume, estimated search volume is. So we'll go to your Google Ads campaign. So you come here, tools and research. So you go to planning. Under planning, you get to see keywords planner. That's what we are going to use, keywords planner. So keywords planner helps you to plan the kind of keywords you want. it gives you insight on the keywords you need to find. So you can get examples of that. So what we'll do is we'll put in the keyword, kids backpack, then we'll get results. So remember, our location is Nigeria. So depending on your location, you can change it. If you're in the US, if you're in Ghana, if you're in UK, Canada, all you just have to do is change your location. So it's going to give me result for Nigeria. So overall, it has 272 keywords ideas available. Then we'll find out that we have kids backpack on a monthly basis, average 110 people search for this. Now these are related keywords. I think we wrote some of them. Where are they? We wrote toddler, toddler backpack boy. So this is just toddler backpack. So, but our main keyword has 110 monthly searches. So let me give you the secret about this before we continue. Now, for these keywords, you'll find out that when you see these monthly searches, these are just estimates, right? Most times they are way larger than this. Way larger than this. So these kid backpacks might even have 1,000 monthly searches or 2,000 monthly searches, but they are more than this. Definitely they are always more than this. But you see the ones that have 10, just know that the ranges of monthly searches are usually low compared to this one. So don't rely on just this average monthly searches Google gives you. So just know they are always more. But now you come here, you find out how competitive is this keyword. Here it says low. Here it says high. So still not all these are estimates, but also take cognizance of this competition level. And this is showing you how much you get to pay per getting the bid. That's ranking high for your ads. What we mean top of page bid, this is what it means. So this is the top of page bid, and this is top of page, high range, low range. So how much you get to pay on the highest if you get to top this page, if you get to top here for that keyword, is this $1.62. But on average, how much you get to pay for still ranking high on this? It could be this section, it could be this last section, depending on how Google decides to show the ads. This is how much you pay. So whatever you type, you can get ideas from this. Then lastly, let's look at something. You can also rank your ads for your competitor keywords. Remember, we discussed about it. We had, where is it? I think Jumia school bag. Let's open it in new tab. So because people are searching for this particular brand or this your competitor's product, you can also rank for your Google ads so that you reach those set of audiences. So you can always type Jumia school bag and target these keywords. So what it means is your ad will show for this particular keyword. So you can see Jumia school bag for ladies, Konga school bags in Abuja, school bags for university. I think this is for university students. So we're assuming we are selling children's school bag. So you can always target your competitors keywords also. So this applies to different niche. So if you have to look at another niche, let's say real estate. So you already see we can find some real estate company in the US, real estate. So if we are in Nigeria here. So you can see it. Now you see other keywords: real estate companies in Nigeria, Lagos, real estate business in Nigeria, real estate agency, real estate business in Nigeria, Ireland. So these are some of the keywords that people are searching for, and you can run campaign, your Google Ads campaign on. So same thing as we discussed applies to all niche. You go down and get the ideas. And always take note of some of the keywords your competitors are using that are running ads. So you see real estate investment. Also take note of that. And come down, you can see it. If this doesn't apply, you can change the keywords to find what applies. So this ones, people are just looking for the top 10, just looking for rankings of real estate companies they can patronize with. So if you feel this keyword is a viable one, but I don't think these keywords are viable keywords because Google might not tend to show your advert for this kind of keywords. So let's check. Yes, they might not show your adverts on the top results here. So, but your advert might be shown just below the search results, so you can see. So for this kind of keywords, just be aware that your most times your ads won't show at the top, but just underneath the search results. So this is how you can perform your keyword research on Google. First of all, find out on Google what your keywords are and related searches, related keywords related to the one you are particularly searching for. Then you can have an idea of what people are searching for and target that. And remember to take note of the keywords. Ensure they are not just keywords that are meant for inquiries. Inquiries keywords would not help you to drive that leads or sales. Sorry, that sales you are looking for. If you want sales, ensure you look at keywords that have to do with people wanting to buy, except if you just want to drive awareness for your product or services. But if you want to drive sales, focus more on, we call them money keywords, keywords that tends to what? To attract people to what? Buy from you. And once you have done that, you can check on the Google Keywords Planner on how much search volumes you are looking at and your competition too, if it's low or high. So this is how you can research your Google keywords for your Google ads. Like this video, subscribe and share